The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. There is no constraints on the human mind, no walls around the human spirit, no barriers to our progress, except those we ourselves erect. Freedom is never more than one generation away from extinction. We didn't pass it to our children in the bloodstream. It must be fought for, protected, and handed on for them to do the same. We ever forget that we are one nation under God, then we will be a nation gone under. Government's first duty is to protect the people, not run their lives. There is no limit the amount of good you can do if you don't care who gets the credit. Peace is not the absence of conflict. It is the ability to handle conflict by peaceful means. When you can't make them see the light, make them feel the heat. Live simply, love generously, care deeply, speak kindly, leave the rest to God. We must reject the idea that every time a law is broken, society is guilty rather than the lawbreaker. It is time to restore the American percept that each individual is accountable for his actions. Surround yourself with the best people you can find. Delegate authority and don't interfere as long as the policy you have decided upon is being carried out. Entrepreneurs and their small enterprises are responsible for almost all the economic growth in the United States. While I take inspiration from the past, like most Americans, I live for the future. You can tell a lot about a fellow's character by his way of eating jelly beans. The future does not belong to the faint-hearted. It belongs to the brave. The best social program is a job. Heroes may not be braver than anyone else. They are just braver 5 minutes longer. We should measure welfare success by how many people leave welfare, not by how many are at it. We are never defeated unless we give up on God. A nation that cannot control its border is not a nation.